If you want to upload your website files to Namecheap hosting, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps to get your files into the right folder using cPanel so your website can go live properly. This is a simple process, but if you're new to hosting, it can be easy to miss a step, so I'll keep it clear and easy to follow from start to finish. And if this tutorial helps you out, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, log into your Namecheap account using your email and password. Once you're inside your dashboard, look for the hosting list option. This is where all of your hosting plans and accounts are shown in one place. Click on Hosting List to continue. Now find the hosting account that you want to upload files to. If you have more than one account, make sure you choose the correct one because you want your website files uploaded to the right hosting space. Next to your hosting account, click on Go to cPanel. This will open the control panel for your hosting account where you can manage files, domains, email, and other hosting tools. Once cPanel opens, look for File Manager. File Manager is the tool you'll use to upload your website files directly into your hosting account. Click File Manager to open it. When File Manager loads, you'll see a list of folders and files on your server. The folder you need to open is public HTML. This is the main directory for your website, and anything placed inside this folder is usually what shows up on your live site. Double-click public HTML to open it. Now that you're inside the correct folder, look for the Upload button at the top of the File Manager window. Click Upload to begin the file transfer process. A new upload screen will open, and from there, you can choose the files from your computer. Select your website files from your computer, including your HTML files, images, CSS files, JavaScript files, or any other site files you need to upload. If your website is packaged in a zip file, you can upload that too, depending on how your site is built. Once you've selected the files, the upload will begin automatically. At this point, all you need to do is wait for the upload to finish. Make sure the progress completes fully before you close anything, because interrupting the process could leave your website incomplete or broken. After the upload is done, your files should now be inside the public/cPanel folder and ready to be used by your website. If needed, you can refresh File Manager to confirm everything uploaded correctly, and that's it. You've successfully uploaded your website files to Namecheap hosting. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more simple hosting and website tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.